Hello, in this video I'll talk about the logical interface. I'll give you a quick overview and we'll do a simple programming project. To get into it, you go to Tools, Logical Interface, and there it is. You can see we have two columns and the workspace. The left column shows you all the commands you can use on your project, and on the right side you can see all the devices that are used and commands that are loaded to your specific project. Devices, you have two kinds. One that is loaded automatically by taking information from the mains interface. This is true to displays, network, and ArtNet. And you have other devices that you need to add manually, like, for example, the panel. Let's do a small programming project. Let's drag a simple play command. If I press on it, you can see details of the object here. We can add files as we do on the main interface. And now you can see we have two kinds of lines coming in and going out. The lines coming in are lines that tell the object what to do, and the lines coming out can be linked to other objects, and you can get information from the object. So you can see here we have a trigger line. This will trigger the play command. We have a layer. Here we set what layer we want to use. This will override the layer inside the playlist. This is the same for the loop and the fade time and the opacity level. If this is left empty, it will use the data from inside the playlist. And the output, you can see you can get information: state of playback, the time code of the playback, touch, you can use it for interactive projects, and the end. When this specific video ends, it'll send to any linked device, any linked object, the end information. Okay, so let's add a name to the input line. I'll call it play. And if we want to control it from a panel, I'll open the panel. We'll talk more about this panel in later videos, but for this simple demonstration, you can see I can use it very easily. I can just drag my play line into the in-out value. I'll press test, and you can see as soon as this button is pressed, it triggers my play object.